Sit at home, sit at home, sit at home. Today is the 28th day of April 2025. Sit at home. If you don't sit at home, whatever you see, you manage it. If you don't sit at home, whatever you see, you manage it. These are the people who claim they have 10 heads. This is it. Sit at home. Old Edo State is Biafra land. Old Edo State is Biafra land. If you are lucky today, you may not be lucky tomorrow. If you are lucky today, you may not be lucky tomorrow. Sit at home.
Dai moto Dangote ugoda se murare o emu ro wa Ebu road Asaba road ebesunu ugoda se ma nara yara do a camp junction for emu aya Ebu road. Ibo ki Biafra aya declare sit at home muri emu Biafra soldier avant na fie na na oh ire to moto akin ya fie avant AK47 ene o ugoda si ma ewewe ni ona aro mi ma ge ona aro mi ba fe ba mi emu Biafra declare sit at home. Emu Biafra sit at home. Ìwòkèmú ọ̀nà ìwòná ní máa wòye ẹ̀yà yìí òkè Fúlàní ọ̀pá máa yẹ ọmọdé Biafra mẹ́wòó wọ́n náà yẹ dókèrè mú mọ́tò yẹ nó dẹ́ àyà àrùn dẹ́.